Today's lesson, we're going to start Unit 4, talking about counting principles. Okay, so example 1. The soccer team has 3 jersey colors, red, white, black, and 3 colors of shorts, red, white, black. Draw a tree diagram to represent all the different outfits they could have. Okay, so shirts, they could wear red, white, or black. So shorts, red, white, black, red, white, black, red, white, black. So this being said, they could go red top, red bottom, red top, white bottom, red top, black bottom, white top, red, so that's all the combinations that they could wear. So in other words, it would look like this. Okay, so you can see that there's 9 different outfits that they could wear. There's 9 outfits, but they wanted a tree diagram, so that's what a tree diagram would look like. Okay, so now use the fundamental principles to calculate the number of uniforms. So the fundamental principle says if there's A ways to perform one task and B ways to perform the other, then there are A times B ways of performing both. So that would be A would be the tops, so 3 tops, B is 3 bottoms, so altogether they would have 9 ways to perform both. Okay, luggage lock opens with the correct 3-digit code. Each wheel rotates through the digits 0 to 9. So how many codes are possible? So 3 digits, I'm going to put 3 blanks there. So if you think about spinning the first one, how many options would you have? So 0 to 9, the digits, that's 10 options. Okay, and then in the second one now, how many options do you have for that one? You would also have 10, because you can repeat. And then the third, you would have 10. So altogether, you would have 1,000 different options for opening that lock. Suppose now that each digit can only be used once. Now how many are possible? So this time, in the first, I would have had 10 options, but now I've used one option up, so then I have 9 options. And in the last spot, I would only have 8 options. So now I only have 720 possible codes. Okay, next example. How many possibilities do you have of getting either a black face card or an ace when drawing a single card from a standard deck? Okay, so black face cards, there are 6. So if you know what face cards are, that's Jack, Queen, and King, right? There's 4 of each, which is 12. 6 are black, 6 are red. Okay, so there's 6 or an ace. So there's 4 aces in the deck. So altogether, this and this, there's no overlapping of that. So that makes 10. There's 10 possibilities. You could have, so there's 10 possibilities. I guess it didn't ask for the probability. If the probability would be 10 out of 52. So this answer would be there's just 10 possibilities. How many possibilities do you have of getting either a red card or a 10 when drawing? So how many red cards are there? There would be 26. How many 10s are there? There are 4 10s. But, so we're going to add those, but we're going to subtract overlap. So 2 10s would also be included in the red cards. So there'd be 28 possible cards. So if you talk about probability, you'd have a 28 and 52 chance of that happening.
And the